Yaga 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 yo 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 yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are here with Banglez Blama featuring Tion and Morrisson. Now, say your name, Blama. Say your name, right? All right. So we're here. We are gonna react to that one quick and fast. We're not wasting a whole heap of time. So let's jump straight tonight and see what go on. Let's go. We are reacting, so we're pausing a lot less. Let's go. Well, I hope so.
Still Banglez.
Roll up, Blama.
Mm-hmm.
Para. Bro, you make me para.
Blama.
Roll with the soldier. Yeah. Can't with the chauffeur. Roll with the toaster.
Really not gonna?
I'm verified in the street, that's right. So when I rap, man, take me in. I don't just make up a story like Chiron. I make them all rhyme just to make a hit.
Morrisson, that you dangerous enough. Morrisson dangerous enough, that. Morrisson dangerous, brother. Man say fair fight on the street. When I rap, man take me in. I don't make up a story like Shira story. You know, so I still not watch that movie they do. Shira story. I don't watch Shira story yet. Me need to watch. Can somebody put a link to Shira story in the comment section, please? I want to watch Shira story, guys. I don't watch Shira story yet. So put a link. I'll watch the next one that blew Rapman up. But the one before this. But one before Shira story, but never watch Shira story. So leave a link of Shira story, the full thing in the description, in the comment section for me, please, guys. I appreciate that. So let's carry on.
What the OGs play with bricks, then pose on the block in the latest kits with their big watches, chains and rings, flooded with ice like a skating rink. Guess what? We grew up to be just like them. Like what? Man, I shot us like Wayne and Biggs.
Shatters like Wayne and Biggs. If you don't know about Shatters, you don't know about Shatters. Shatters are the maddest movie come out of Jamaica. Shatters and Biggs. Biggs played by Kimani Marley, Bob Marley's son. Wayne is Spragga Benz. Top artist. Look up on himself, dog. Bad movie.
I'm in the bulletproof range with tints with a gun that I take a face off like Nick. I remember girls used to laugh at us. Now they wanna link us and partner up. We just give them wood like a carpenter, then chuck them in the cab, then laugh at them.
Bumbo Clark. All of the girls them will just look down on you. No, they will look up at you while they are giving you hookers. Man say I give them wood like carpenter. You know what I mean? That type of wood there no. No. The meat. The sausage meat. This sausage meat. And then chuck them in a taxi and say go on and them laugh. I don't know, so use they get used. Oh, my trash, she get used.
I'm an N9 classic, man. Touch me, firearms get brandished. Jewels on the up block when I drive past, cause they ain't that active. My young tugs still go over there, don't care about internal affairs.
If it touch me, I weapon I get brandish. I'm gonna get brandish, brother. Me not care, dog. You see me? Him say, him young G's them still go over there because pan the up block because they don't know. Him not care about internal affairs, dog. Him look a slogan and say, bad, like it.
Gotta say real niggas are here, so I guess I'm the man of the year. Tion is a fucking boss. Don't try come round here get shot. They can't beef me, man, them boys are washed. They will never make what I spend on watch. Money. When a CT way no weapon, you should see how they start jetting. I don't even know why they chase and chef him. Make him just bow, gave him roll up. Big
Man, see me not waste of time. Me not running around, me have asthma. Doctor said not to run, me have asthma. Me not running down a chef no. A bow! Gunshot fool no. Badness upgrade now. That before that him say, yo, where him spend pound watch them pussy and a make. Them boy and I make no money. Where them spend pound, where him spend pound watch them pussy and not see that.
Big boy, Blama. White girl, Stacy, Anna. Make man run more far. Bro, used to make me para. In a dance, roll with the soldier. Big whack, car with the chauffeur. Streets cold, roll with the toaster. Alright, still get figures and bang.
Hold on there. Me read the title of the song wrong. So the artist is still Banglez. The song name is Blama, featuring Tion and Morrisson. Okay, because I thought the artist was called Blama, but it's not. It's still Banglez the artist called. The song name Blama. Oh, get it.
Oi. Morrisson. Look at who stepped in again. All I do is sell coke. I pick my side. Me and Pepsi ain't friends. 0 L's.
You hear that reference there? All I do is sell coke. Pick my side. Me and Pepsi ain't a friend. Diet Coke himself. Diet Coke. Diet Coke. Himself Diet Coke. Him and Pepsi is not friend.
Just went global, coulda went Hollywood, but I stayed local. If you wanna know the best word to describe me, get your phone out and Google mogul. I might give my Skinner a phone call and tell him swap names, cause I am the streets.
Yo, when they run from police, peak. When I give him money in the cheek, real bad man, up, see me and speak. Got one, West Gal, got one in the east.
Tion, you don't want a girl from east, I don't know, they on too much grease.
I like that. I like that part, yeah. I like that part, yeah. It's very, very rarely you see an artist in the UK anyway finish a line and then the next artist carry on from that line by answering the line where the artist before just utter. And this is exactly what these two just done. Tion and Morrisson just done that. Me like that. Me like that. Me like that. Me have to say me like that. Me like that. Me like that. You don't really hear it here in the UK, but you hear it all the time here in Jamaica. So I like that.
When they run from police, peak. When I give him money in the cheek, real bad man, up, see me and speak. Got one, West Gal, got one in the east.
Tion,
you don't want a girl from east. I don't know, they on too much grease.
Leg it, Olympic ting. Leg it. When they see me, they're jetting. Me, I put O's in denim. I know my friends are denim. From young man, they said I was violent. True man's face off like Mac Tyson. In the Lambo with a 6 reclining. Chicks like me, they don't know.
So, who is still Banglez? Can somebody explain this? Because I just Tion and Morrisson alone, me see. A rap. So, who is still Banglez?
Roller, big boy, Blama. White girl, Stacy, Anna. Make man run more far. Bro, used make me para. In a dance, roll with the soldier. Big whack, car with the chauffeur. Streets cold, roll with the toaster. Aye, still get figures and bang. Blama.
Oh, so that's still Banglez in the middle then? I was confused of who. Obviously, we know who is Morrisson and who is Tion, but I didn't know who Steel Bangle was, and I got the impression that the song name was Steel Banglez and the artist was Blama. I'm sorry about that, but nice song, we love it. Some nice metaphors, some nice similes in it as well. Like I said, I like the fact say Morrisson picked up after Tion by answering what Tion they say. I like that also. Like you say, you don't really see it in the UK, but Jamaica, we see it all the time. Where artists collab and do them thing there. But yeah, song nice. I like the song. Nice catchy song. You see me? So guys, this is how I'm gonna end that one here. If you like that one here, please leave a like Panda one here. Please don't forget to subscribe around here if you're new. Thanks for the view. I'll see you soon. Okay.